This video is going to go over informational writing, but specifically sequential writing for an informational text. An informational text is like a report or an article, and there's facts. And the reason that the author is writing all these facts without any emotion is because the author wants you to know something. And when we're talking about informational text, the structure of each text is different because the purpose is different. So an informational report basically goes topic, sentence, main idea, facts, 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 facts. And then you have all these other text features like pictures and graphs and like bold words and titles and subtitles and diagrams that are illustrated, things like that to help you understand what's going on. The whole point is to give you new information. But sometimes that new information has a slightly different structure. Sometimes the author wants you to know the cause and effect of something, so the paragraph is going to be structured a little bit differently. Or maybe the author wants you to know how the problem was solved. Or, sometimes the author is going to go in a sequential order so you can figure out the cause and effect or problem solution yourself. There's lots of different ways that you could format informational writing, but today we're going to be talking specifically about sequential. So in sequential writing, the part that happens first is written first. And so today's example is going to be the sequential steps of making a mummy. In order to do that, you're going to have to watch the videos on mummies, take notes on the form that I gave you, and then use those notes to make paragraphs. So after you do step 1 and 2, come back to the next video. And the rest of this will be continued, just like the mummies' lives. All right, go do that and I'll see you later.